Ebusian for Mamunina Akwaba Eba Ghana SMTVGH. Mesro, like, comment, subscribing, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for answer na mekwa asem no so no pese me da munina asem mo a moboaye with the ongoing contributions no donations towards your studio. As I've made you know, say maybe I'm meeting my bedroom. Okay, I'm just living in a single room apartment, so I've taken part of it to use as this that you are seeing here. I don't even have a wardrobe because wardrobe in any space doesn't have a space that I'll place it at. But most importantly, no Busian for what I also want you to know is sometimes say must send this kanusana. I don't know who has sent it. It makes me feel some way sad because I wish I could know the person who sent the money. Then I come and say I contact and say thank you, especially for more abrochiri. Some people will actually send me WhatsApp and then I know that I'm anticipating, but some also just out of their kind heart send and they don't want to give me, they don't even want me to know who the person is. Please, kindly help me. Let me know you so that I can thank you properly. Okay, thank you. Hey, information de lewiasi. Information. Ide lewiasi. They say information be brave ewa wiasi. Mati say, Assemblies of God. Sorry no. Internally no. Nyama nsensem bia iko so na nya easy. Kofo bi ebuefu. Who say in every denomination no, or in every grouping no, there are people who have a good heart. There are people who care about the sheep and the flock. And yes, sir. And he met like I said, Nsema Ekoso Assemblies of God mono. And ya obi bia or Assemblies of God in any day. And ya so for bia asofo nyina won Assemblies of God muna. Omu sanction. Some of them are genuinely unhappy say Omampeni Mahama. Ebe fasika omunim baby as kanu free crowd na omu be sin dying. Emma sorry no. Assemblies of God nkwa. Over 10 churches. Some of them are genuinely not happy with it. And allegedly, Kramati say some pastors that have been transferred to some of those churches have refused to go. They don't want anything to do with Musio. Now, Assemblies of God ni Bakwa Bekasa. Or see. Now, minim class Assemblies of God omu chairman, general superintendent, voting. Now, meaning say voting. A man win a man who say voting. Or see the next election, no. Ye Papa Stephen Wenger mo. Ebe yanka e mani contest kra. Because or see, according to Asema Papa Nukano, the previous election, na His Excellency John Mahama and a sponsor Stephen Wenger ni campaign ni bibia. Enti no win ye. But they say no asofo for more cancel no so mo say I said akoye se pesemi ko menya greed be hypocrisy be, and it is tarnishing the hard-earned reputation of the Assemblies of God Church. Because let's face it, Assemblies of God are sorry no, a very respected denomination over the country, well respected, well established. But for some few time now, it may be a cause why raise eyebrows kakra. Say general superintendent say your man appointment our board so Ghana Immigration Service board so. Say on kasa bio. Amampeni timi ba bonti be ka say trumu nsem na nya ni priority no obi pe yendi yetrum. Sebi. Osofo no nkasa o. On kasa. Oye din. Auntie, me, Assemblies of God, for me there, I don't want to involve myself in your internal politics. Right? But I'm just reporting. Say, per what your own members are saying now, there's going to be a showdown in your next General Assembly elections. Auntie, those of you who are allowing NDC for, most especially on Mampiniwe, to use you as puppets. Be ready to lose your positions in the church. And we will all help campaign against you, because we will not allow any individual to use their selfish agenda to destroy the hard-earned reputation of the church. I'm a Christian, so whatever concerns Assemblies of God for, it concerns I also, concerns me. So I have a stake in it. Yeah, a campaign. Sure.
Wengam, me am a general superintendent. Wengam, no dear. Wengam, so when Lusu next election, then Yami or Katasu ni o. Wengam, so when Lusu election, with the mama time and so social media no, unya opportunity poa. We didn't be shit Ghana anyina. Any we are singing na. Wengam, we election the next election, who be Lusu and found when your Mahama better wechi. You will lose. Wengam, you will lose. You will lose it. What good notness. I want to be a general superintendent. You are the second person, a third person. You are the third opportunity, because first one, ebaye ansana abakobaye ansana wo. Notness, northern part of Ghana, eho bunkrugu yoyo, eho na Assemblies of God, started wo my Ghana mo. Eho na started here 80 years ago. 80 years ago. And Assemblies of God started one off. And anything opportunity ne ba one dream twice. Put the opportunity by mamo as a general superintendent. But you, Wengam, my church, Wengam, minimu unye mitipen. I am older than you. So me kasi me your software. I would have been on software far away. And say na Wengam, what be your software? You were coming to Assemblies of God. Me po baby me kwa sorry. Assemblies of God. Then under www.donto. Na utwa kwan to say obi a sebe ni biribi abeto ho no ma ohwehwe ni biribi abeto ho na ohwehwe me na me senior pastor any when your friend is saying www.donto William Wolabai Donto ene wa fa ho abeyeye with the politics and ewuremu the boni amudi Donto kura ansa na Donto di fi wiase no na nyame fie asorofo me catch them there too, so I'm a soft and son of the film. Make us say, and any pada so sorry Ghana. And I say, in summer, in Sipo Abusum fear no, and no need to on sorry fee. I am telling you, Reverend Donto, where we call Yamefa will crancy, Yankopon on foul crancy. Then yes, see wechi after Ube ye, general superintendent no, near a sino. Utiasianka ubeka se aden wadani Wengam adani Assemblies of God NDC headquarters annex campaign NDC campaign headquarters no eno esi Wengam fie esi WW your friend say William or they say Duncan esi ne fie esi agenasare fie esi bedukobi esi umekeka huni nyina fie ede na moji wo wiase anka me de minim sa asori asofudi anasa asori asem de anka nkwagie na moji de manyankopon wonga monko we basis we basis e honam mo nsem no nka ehia afede ma dane no se esa se politicians so am adane wo mo ho no substance entino wankasa no oba mo nchen a obeto mo pan na matiato na magiska ne de amam na mokọ no akoye nkwase campaign e de tia a certain candidate Dr. Baumia e dem pa ni ade Dr. Baumia e ye nyansa ne edibu oman anase e ye Quran anase e ye Bible anase cross no e ne edibu man utam cross de kire wiem a doesn't mean say ye loro kwan ni nyina no ukohia ukase ukopɛ loan ewo China for ho na wo se wo kwa akoye special negotiation a utam cross de mama omo de bema wa no. But doctor was able to Muslim, but he was able to take a bold step and a decisive one. With a brain behind him, full of wisdom. etimi achieve a certain purpose for us. A certain purpose for us. Don't come. Wo, she baby a was sorry then see. Now she baby a woko bubu a friend is saying Magdan ne warehouse. She baby a was sorry then see. Now woko bubu Magdan ne warehouse. Just about 4 houses or 4 buildings, 4 plots away. They left yours. What they need their boni ni. One account one dances when you are there, boni ni hu. Home offices when you are there, boni ni hu. Now wo, you will pay. When you are sick when you will pay. When you are da, all of you will pay. Other subjects na kare do ma others in touch.
Maxi the joy, never baba for
they will pay for it. Especially the leaders. They will pay. Yankopon on fan the second kese no. So do na and this foko gina sa papa na so dem na wo twen ye no. On fan na buso ahomrachi bia. Na mo sorry fa mo supporters so we no share pajamas, ni on share doors no, on fan pia bonten. E wo Jesus Christ dimu. Amen.
Amen. Mr. Marcus.
Joining so on person dia o kasa at least because na me nua ba na kan se bi am me the all kind e obi an submission but me ka tell say the young shall grow do ka say e bia maburu nkwa na person e bi omudi ade o me na that here or there because Obeka president be tenor Beka president be tenor Oka president be tenor be 6 do across the world be 6 old age and remember the real vision we have ambition yen ton twene yen tena so yen fan hyehyem yase ye pursue enti ebia age ni 30 and na hu so person president to pursue ya wanya now go do be 60 now benya what's wrong with it? There's nothing wrong with it, but the only thing is the mentality. So what do you know sebi you say obeboa o man dia emfa hunu age. So what do you say Donald Trump e don man I want for the man see for me. The age matter. It doesn't matter. The age doesn't matter. It is about the maturity. When you are matured, politics na and I am be say politics. It is not about the it's not about the insult. So person GD where Sammy Jeff is a fine gentle guy. No amount for penance when he was coming. But it do be Dani attending never Bibi ka krebe kura no bia pese ohun yesi. Bibi ka krebe no bia na no esi no. But enko ba in the line say on fa temi mata ho na se enko ba say how gentle he is ah. Ke bia ka ho asem bakran ka amanfo nka bebiri. And he say obi ada so le opesa me give ho asem na ide aka. Enti me nua ba you to me I already say e ba ye peye. But Mr. and paying for so or ye. The only thing is Obi ade ade do man and they be expecting more results from him and they be a sanka and she shouldn't she was also saying something say ya brain people in NDC we can never tired of us because Omagana we NDC this will change the MPP and this but there is huge difference between MPP and NDC. There's huge difference between MPP and NDC and I will say it on every day because me NDC need us debate on that because di o ma so mon kire ade potia o ma ya ama sonko o man ni enfa to the MPP ya ama o man Ghana me see the NDC for mon kire ade o ma ya ama o man from JJ Lawrence Mahama part 2 Atamos or increasing no mon fa metotokofo ni akufo ado o ma ya ama o man Ghana. There is huge difference between MPP and NDC and remember obi nka bida.
Okay, unya aka 1 minute was and
okay Ghana ni beti efri MPP so JJ Lawrence time or say mobile phone ebebu o Ghana ma yebedi konkonsa enti sa time 2000 so ntimi ntofo na fo na ese nipa do se kwapo na isu fo Ghana ko fo ba o se no obe break the agents and mobile phone Nokia ho na bowra system ni free education we think outside the box see dan ya yi kwa ya esa and yes I for free education back we think outside the box see Ghana for mo kire wo mo nto mo hospital na free bibi cash and carry uko hospital this proper hospital and so na ba fie and it say health insurance it say for time ne emma kwa wo so ahwe pain oba ba nyim 9 months with the pain that she will go through for say there be go through pain ti wo free ne be so free and you be catch them say ensumiti me da be politics ensuo tu yakoye kwan yes school me fa nya politics because a normal thing apan bi asede but look at the MPP we won't think outside the box and normal kwan normal ensuo tu and the NDC and MPP can never be the same. We are better than NDC in any day, in any time. In the NDC for the minimum, I haven't found 12 people. The only thing is that I'm a kind of do I am expected to do free work. Into when meet that do now saying any part one had yes, one had there. Everywhere meet the target that you set for. And not just one had there. It may minimum, every NDC different, but the base for me Srem go to do form. He see mumble free. Politics, that is how it is.
Okay, you trust so.
You see the base yes Srem go to do form. Etna most of the premier Dimochi. Why yes Srem?
I will come back to you, my guy. Thank you so much. Let me say, Papa say, Papa.
Minia, as I say,
I'm not doing more now, also.
I use for the music, so
Yes, sir. I mean, say, my time, Papa, wait a minute, you use 3 minutes, Casamama, why?
you meet.